What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, the new Guardians of the Galaxy roller coaster opens today, and that's why today I'm going to show you how to make Rocket Raccoon's Trash Omelette. This recipe is based on the recipe in the Marvel Eat the Universe cookbook, but we're going to make it vegan. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. So for this recipe, you'll need 10 ounces of Morningstar chicken strips, the stems and leaves of 3 beets, 3 onion skins, 1 bunch of cilantro, half a lemon, 12 tablespoons of just egg, 2 cups of cooked rice, a quarter cup and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 2 tablespoons of vegan butter, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 ounce of ketchup, and some salt and pepper to taste. All right. Without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Rocket Raccoon Omelette. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.